Living in New Orleans means embracing warm temperatures, rich culture, and plenty of Gulf Coast humidity. While the climate shapes daily life, it also presents unique challenges for homeowners, especially when it comes to choosing the right windows. Awning windows have become increasingly popular throughout the city because they offer year-round ventilation, improved comfort, and reliable weather protection. If you're considering upgrading your home, here are the top benefits of installing awning windows in New Orleans' humid environment. Superior ventilation, even during rain. Humidity is a constant companion in New Orleans, and proper airflow is essential for preventing interior moisture buildup. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a natural rain shield. This design allows you to keep them open for ventilation even during sudden showers, something traditional sliding or single-hung windows can't offer. Fresh air helps reduce indoor dampness, musty odors, and stuffy rooms. Because awning windows can be placed higher on a wall, they naturally draw warm air up and out, helping your home feel cooler without relying solely on your AC. Excellent protection against moisture is one of the biggest threats to New Orleans homes. The awning window design is naturally tight sealing when closed, helping block out rain, wind-driven moisture, and outdoor humidity. Their sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a reliable barrier that minimizes water intrusion, an important feature during Louisiana's unpredictable tropical showers and stormy weather. Homeowners appreciate that awning windows help defend against mold growth, wood rot, and other humidity-related issues that can damage interior finishes and reduce home value over time. Improved energy efficiency and lower cooling costs. New Orleans summers can be intensely hot, and energy bills can rise quickly. Awning windows are often built with insulated frames, advanced weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass options, helping keep cool air inside and hot humid air outside. Because of their small, efficient design, they minimize air leakage. When paired with energy-efficient glazing, such as low-E coatings or double-pane glass, awning windows can significantly improve overall home performance. You'll enjoy a more comfortable interior while reducing the stress on your HVAC system. Enhanced home security. Security is a major factor for many New Orleans homeowners, and awning windows offer excellent protection thanks to their compact size and sturdy locking mechanisms. When installed higher on a wall or combined with fixed-picture windows, they provide airflow without compromising safety. Their angled opening makes them more difficult for intruders to manipulate, compared to larger sliding or double-hung windows. Many models feature multi-point locking systems for even stronger security. Stylish versatility for any home design. From historic cottages in Uptown to modern homes in Lakeview, architectural styles in New Orleans are impressively diverse. Awning windows complement nearly any design style due to their clean, simple lines and customizable options. Homeowners can pair them with picture windows to bring in more natural light, install them in bathrooms or kitchens for added ventilation, or use them in tight spaces where other window types won't fit. Their modern appearance and flexible placement options make them an attractive update for both traditional and contemporary homes. Low maintenance in the face of humidity. High humidity can cause certain window materials to warp, stick, or deteriorate over time. Awning windows, especially those made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, are designed to resist moisture issues common in Louisiana's climate. They are easy to clean, simple to operate, and built to withstand long-term exposure to humidity and coastal weather patterns. This makes them a low-maintenance, long-lasting investment for New Orleans homeowners. Final thoughts. Awning windows offer an ideal combination of ventilation, weather protection, and energy efficiency, features that make them especially well-suited for New Orleans' humid climate. Whether you're renovating a historic property or upgrading a modern home, these windows provide year-round comfort and peace of mind. With better airflow, dependable moisture control, and stylish versatility, awning windows are a smart, reliable addition to any New Orleans home.